Hi! In front of me is Honor 9A, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, find Tools folder, click on it and tap on Recorder. Then select Allow in the pop-up. I already did that, so I can click on the red button right away to start my recording. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking on the right one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the red button again, and as you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always hold it, tap on rename over here and type wherever you wish to, then choose OK. If you wish to delete it though, you need to also hold it, but this time select delete icon in the middle at the bottom and choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!